can't hear candies falling. Did I miss? Okay, I'll try one more time. And good macaroons.
Stop! Sammy, what are you doing? You nearly broke my favorite mug.
I've seen that kids are hitting a toy and candies are falling out of it.
You've messed it up. For this, you need not just any toy, but a special one. Come with me.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Today, the main goal for us is to not let Sammy smash everything in the house into pieces.
Good macaroons. Are you gonna bug me with that for the rest of my life?
You should have seen your face! Today, we're using our trusty cardboard for this craft. And it's best to use hot glue here. It'll hold everything together really well. But first, we need to cut out all of these pieces. By the way, you might have already guessed who it's gonna be. Let's get started.
Actually, I have an idea.
Go ahead, tell me.
According to the curves and forms, it seems to me that… Really? Do you think I won't recognize a unicorn? I need this.
Bingo! This is another unicorn craft in our collection.
Guys, I'm sure you've seen all our unicorn videos. Even a cake made of many cupcakes. Well, if not, you know where to find them. Just subscribe.
I strongly recommend you do that. You won't regret it and get some inspiration for future projects. Guys, don't forget about safety while working with sharp objects. It's better to ask an adult to help. Sammy, could you cut out the pieces from another sheet?
Easy peasy. It's ready.
What? It's impossible! You were gone for just a second! Unbelievable!
You forgot about the rainbow magic. With the help of it, everything can be done in a sec.
Don't take that away! I could use it, but first we need to show the guys how to do this! Guys, be very careful with the glue gun. You could easily get burned.
Sue, it's coming out so great! I already like it. Guys, if you do too, give us a thumbs up.
Aren't we gonna fill it with candies, smash it, and then eat them all?
No, we are! And to signify the seriousness of my intent, give me room, Susie! Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity!
Wow, Sammy, that was really impressive. Now I have no doubts. We're gonna just add a few more details and the most beautiful part is still left.
Decorations?
You're always in such a hurry, Sammy. How on earth can we move to decorations if we're not done with the base yet?
You don't get it, Sue. I just can't wait to see the result.
You mean eat the result?
I'm not like that, Sue.
Oh yeah, I see.
Oopsie.
Let's continue, guys. We're almost done with this stage. It came out really great. And before we make the head, we need to put the candies inside. Sammy, I hope you didn't do anything wrong.
What do you mean?
I mean the candies. Where are they?
I didn't see any. Never. Not.
Don't play with me. It's very serious. Show me the container.
Okay.
He'd better not have eaten them all up.
Haha, Sue, it was a prank. You should have seen your face. Sue, I need your help. It's one thing to eat sweets, but quite another to carry them. Thanks.
Would you look at him? He's ready to jeopardize the craft just to use my own phrase. You're lucky I'm not gonna start the prank war. There we go. By the way, did you know that the Pinata is a toy of Mexican origin? Mostly Pinatas are made in the shape of geometrical figures or horses, and unicorns are technically horses.
And they can be filled not only with sweets, but tiny toys, nuts, confetti, and so on! Woohoo!
What a mess, Sammy! You know I don't like to get distracted with cleaning while I'm working on a craft.
All right. I know what that means.
As you always say, the division of labor is a key to success. And the last piece, like this. Hooray! Guys, stay tuned if you want to see what's gonna happen to our cute unicorn next. Sammy, have you prepared everything I asked for?
Of course! Let me escort you to a world of endless fringe strips. Enjoy!
Wow, Sammy, so many! I bet it took a lot of your time to make these.
For such a great crafter, Susie, it was nothing! But don't worry, sooner or later you'll be able to do that too!
I hope so. Guys, pay attention so that you can glue as many pieces as you want. Just do that all the way around like this. It takes some time, but it's totally worth it. Sammy, how's it going? I'm gonna need more pieces soon.
I'm almost done, Sue. I've got a problem, but I'll deal with it in time, I promise.
Sammy.
Thanks! Thanks!
Sometimes I think it's a superpower to get tangled in anything. Note that you should put every other strip a bit higher. This way the fringe will lay overlapped and nobody's gonna see the cardboard.
Sue! I got here as fast as I could! Huh? Great!
Hey, I know some tricks too! Watch and learn! Voila!
Not bad, not bad! I think this trick deserves a like! What do you guys think?
Oh, what a slick slime you are! I'll entrust you with the most important part, but I'm sure you'll enjoy it!
I'm ready to act!
You should figure out the rest of the decorations.
Sure, me cheddars! What a surprising turn of events!
And you'd better be quick, because we're moving to the next stage right now!
Well, this goes here. Okay, everything's ready!
Wow, Sammy, you did a great job!
I tried to do my best! I spent so much time you can't imagine!
That's not true, and everybody knows that! You've just cut the paper! Sammy, I have a suggestion. How about a rainbow race?
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
You can be in charge of the tail, and I'll take care of the mane.
Deal! And I'm gonna finish faster!
We'll see! Don't bite off more than you can chew. Sammy will deal with that in a moment. So guys, let's speed up too! Here we go, guys! Like this.
Oh, Sue, I'll have enough time to nap while you're working.
Sammy, do you know how to tell whether a unicorn is a boy or a girl?
That's an interesting question. I've never thought about that.
It's easy. If there are more pink locks in the mane, it means it's a girl.
I'm not gonna count them.
I don't know why, but I thought that you would refuse.
Sue, is it true that if a unicorn hits the ground with its hooves, the golden coins will fly from under?
Hypothetically, it can happen. Unicorns are magical creatures, do you remember? But in our case, I think it's probably gonna be candies.
By the mozzarella, I have to check that!
This is gonna be fun. The most cheerful inspection in the world. Guys, we're done! Would you look at this? Our unicorn is not only cute, but absolutely amazing!
Stop, stop, stop! Sue, don't you think that something's missing?
I don't know. A rainbow mane? Check. Golden hooves? Check. What else?
I'm sure the guys already understand what I'm talking about. Close your eyes, let it be a surprise!
Okay.
Ready, open!
Holy cannoli! Sammy, I'm speechless! And you've even made cute eyes! How could I forget about the horn?
And a cutie mark. I also brushed the mane.
Let's look at this awesome unicorn in all its glory! There, go ahead, but you're gonna need a bigger weapon.
What was that?
There you go.
Whoa! All right! Here I come! Woohoo! That was so much fun! Candies!
Not so fast, Mr. Slime. You forgot to say goodbye to our friends.
Oh, guys, I'm so sorry! I just can't wait to eat the candies.
If you liked our craft today, then give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit the bell button. We've got so many unicorn ideas.
And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss all the fun.
Bye-bye, my precious.
Sammy, see you soon, guys.